When you use your 4x4 like you should, it's not just the outside that gets dirty, which is why Ridge Ryder have concocted a range of heavy-duty interior cleaners. The Ridge Ryder All-Surface Interior Cleaner deep cleans hard and soft surfaces, and with a pH neutral and silicone-free formula, it's non-greasy and safe to use on almost any interior component. Ridge Ryder's upholstery cleaner has been specially formulated to clean almost all types of car upholstery, including vinyl, carpet, velour and even leather trim. Suitable for 4x4 interiors after a day out in the bush, beach or outback, this heavy-duty spray cleans muddy and dusty surfaces with ease. It can easily tackle stains and even help with foul odours. But if things get really stinky, you're going to need a Ridge Ryder Odour Eliminator. Formulated to neutralise pretty much any odours, it can tackle anything from the mess your pet left and that iced coffee you spilled in your lap to stale cigarette smoke and whatever it is that's growing under your seat. It's safe for use on most cloth, carpet, headliners, vinyl and other soft interior surfaces, and will leave your vehicle smelling fresh and clean for up to 30 days. To complement the clean and fresh smelling interior, tackle your foggy and grimy windows with the Ridge Ryder Glass Cleaner. With a streak-free formula that's safe to use on tinted glass, you can keep your windscreen clear and fog-free on the inside and help repel rain on the outside. Head to Supercheap Auto to add these heavy-duty cleaners to your arsenal, and your 4x4 will not just look the part, but it will smell great, and you'll actually be able to see where you're going. Just remember to deal with the source of the odour and the mess, even if that means taking a shower.